Hello investors, welcome to Cedarwood COURT here in Sangotedo, Lagos. We are back here to bring you live updates on developments within the estate. Come with me as I show you around the latest development. You may recall that the last time we were here, compacting of the road was being done. Right here, the setting of curbs and the stone base is ongoing for the internal access road. And as you can see, the neighborhood is already developing, and we are working every day to ensure that we continue to add value to our clients' investment towards making land and home ownership dream a reality for all.